Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'll be going over a convenient way on how to set up your email on your MacBook computer. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below if you guys have any questions after this video is over, any comments you may have, and definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel. I appreciate it a lot. So a convenient way to set up mail on a Mac. The way I'm going to show you is actually pretty easy, and you'll be receiving your email basically like on your desktop. You don't have to jump through any websites. No going to Outlook.com. No going to Google.com to get your Gmail. None of that. This is just a convenient way to set up your email, and once it's set up, you'll have easy access to all your new emails. So with that being said, let's just jump right into it. First, sign into your Mac, and you're going to look for the mail icon on your dock. It looks like a stamp almost, with this bird on the stamp. So hover your mouse over it. It says mail. Click on that. Alright, so from here, your inbox will pop up. Now you may get a message, or a window rather, that says set up an email account. If it doesn't pop up, just click on mail, the top left hand corner here next to the Apple logo, and click on add account. And this is where you're going to add your email account provider. Like I said, this window may already pop up. If you clicked on mail, it may have, it may not have, but if it didn't, click on mail and click on add account, and then this window will pop up. So now you have a couple options here on which email you guys use. If it's iCloud, if it's Exchange, which is another term for Outlook email. If you use Gmail, which is Google, Yahoo, AOL, or you can add any other mail account that you guys are using. So for this example, I'm just going to use my Outlook account, which if I were using Outlook, I would click Exchange. Click on Continue. Here you can put whatever you want your name to be. It can be first and last. It can be first and last initial. It's up to you. You can put a nickname if you wanted to. It's totally up to you guys. Then here, put your full email address. Then you're going to hit sign in. And this is going to say sign to your Exchange account using Microsoft, which is your Outlook account. Just hit sign in. This window will pop up asking you for your password. So put that in. And then hit sign in for me. Now here, with whatever email you choose to set up, if it's Exchange or Outlook, if it's Exchange or Google, you have a couple options here. Do you want it to sync more than just your email? Do you want to sync your contacts, your calendars, your reminders, your notes? It's up to you guys, whatever you feel more comfortable syncing. I'm just going to sync my email for this video. Hit done when you're finished. Okay, so once you have it set up, your emails will appear on the left-hand side where my mouse is. And once you click on whatever email you have, it'll show up on the right-hand side here. As you can see, it says no message selected. I have no emails or new emails. I delete all my emails. So that's that. Now, if you click off of this, okay, so now you're signed into your email, and you're on your desktop, or you're in a different application, and you start to get new emails. Down here where that stamp icon is, you'll see a little red circle, and it will show you how many new emails are pushing through. So if it's 5, it'll show 5. If it's 10, it'll show 10. Just so on and so forth. It will let you know when you're getting new emails, so you don't have to worry about jumping on websites or anything like that. So just a convenient way to get to your email. Just always make sure, down here it'll say how many new emails that you have. And if you have your sound on, it'll make a little noise to alert you. So that's pretty much it, guys. That was just an easy way to configure your mail and a convenient way to check your mail on a MacBook. Just give this video a like, comment down below if you have a question or comment, and yeah, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.